ನಾರಾಯಣ ರೆಡ್ಡಿ, ವೆಂಕಟಾದ್ರಿ ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪ್ರಿನ್ಸಿಪಲ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ಈ ವರ್ಷದ ಅಂದರೆ 2025-26ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ, ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ 1ರ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಹೊರಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳು ಅತ್ಯುತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಪಡೆದಿರುತ್ತಾರೆ. ಅದನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೂ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಮ್ಮೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಈಗ ಅಂದರೆ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಹೈಯೆಸ್ಟ್ ಬಂದು 587 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಕಾಮರ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ 588 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ ಆಗಿ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅಪಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸು 259ಲ್ಲಿ 118 ಡಿಸ್ಟಿಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಮತ್ತು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸಸ್ಸು 126 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸು 5 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಪಾಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ನಿಲ್. ಓವರಾಲ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜ್ ಬಂದು 96% ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಪರ್ಸೆಂಟೇಜು. ಕಾಮರ್ಸು 95.23 ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಸೈನ್ಸು 96.21 ಬಂದಿದೆ. ಸೊ ಇದೇ ಥರನೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರು ಕೂಡ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ IITಗೆ ಒಂದು ಹುಡುಗಿ ವಾರಣಾಸಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು. ಅದಾದ ಮೇಲೆ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ಗೆ 4 ಜನ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದರು ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರು. ಈ ವರ್ಷ ಕೂಡ ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೇ ಥರನೇ ಒಂದು 4 to 5 ಮೆಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಮೆಡಿಕಲ್ ಹೋಗೋರಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಮತ್ತು NIT ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ IIIT ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ IIT ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು, ಅದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೂಡ ಒಂದು 2-3 ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಆಗೋ ಚಾನ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ತೆಗಿತಾರೆ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಂದು ಬೆಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಶಸ್ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ನಾನು 2 ಮಾತು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೀನಿ.
This is Surya from Excel Academics, collaborated with Venkatadri PU College. And for this academic year 2025-26, Venkatadri Independent PU College collaborated with Excel Academics, got good results. And we have 49 members who got 550 above marks out of 600. And we have 118 distinctions. Not only that, and we have the continuity of the marks. When you see the marks of other colleges, one people got highest marks and another one got less marks when compared to that. There is a difference of 5 to 10 marks, but when compared to those people, we have the continuity of the marks. Means we have 587, 586, 585, 584, 582, 581. Like this, we have the continuity of the marks up to 550, and above 500. We have the people who are not much good with their SSLC marks and they got more than 550, and we have 5 such people who got more than 550 in PUC. And previously 4 people got the seats in NEET, through NEET, and they joined in various colleges. And we have medical, through medical, they have medical colleges. And we have to say another thing, last year 25 people got free seats. Means they paid 1,14,250 only, and they got seats in top 10 esteemed colleges of engineering colleges of Karnataka. And this year also we will repeat that particular result, and more than that we will give. And not only this, our saga will continue for the next year also. We have that much of good students, and we have to thank our teachers, our staff. Through their dedication only we got this much of results, and they guided our students very well. And we are so thankful to each and everyone who participated and who anticipated this much of results by guiding the students in a proper way. And we are very thankful to the Venkatadri Independent PU College management for giving such a good opportunity for we people to show what we are. Thank you so much.
25-26ನೇ ಸಾಲಿನ ದ್ವಿತೀಯ PUC ಪರೀಕ್ಷೆ 1ರ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಪ್ರಕಟವಾಗಿದ್ದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ವೆಂಕಟಾದ್ರಿ ಸ್ವತಂತ್ರ ಪದವಿ ಪೂರ್ವ ಕಾಲೇಜಿನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಉತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು, ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಪೋಷಕರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳಿ ಬಯಸ್ತೇನೆ, ಇದನ್ನು ನಾವು ಸತತವಾಗಿ ಈಗ ಏನಿದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ಮುಂದೆ ಇದೇ ತರ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ಯಶಸ್ಸಿಗೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಭವಿಷ್ಯಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ಸದಾ ನಮ್ಮ ಉಪನ್ಯಾಸಕರು ಅದರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಕಾಳಜಿ ವಹಿಸಿ ಉತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶವಾಗಿ ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವರಿಗೆ ಏನು ಕೇರ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಉತ್ತಮ ಫಲಿತಾಂಶಕ್ಕೆ ದುಡಿತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರೆ. ಯಾವ ಪೋಷಕರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮೇಲೆ ಭರವಸೆ ಇಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ ಅದನ್ನು ಖಂಡಿತವಾಗಿ ಉಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ನನ್ನ ಈ 2 ಮಾತನ್ನು ಮುಗಿಸ್ತೇನೆ.
Secured 587 marks in second period. And thank you to all the teachers and the management of Vindadri Independent Degree College. I would like to thank you for my faculty who have supported me for these marks. And I would like to thank my parents who supported in every step. It is about the 1 year hard work. Thank you to all the teachers, the parents who have guided me in every step, and it is possible because of my consistent work, hard work, dedication. Thank you.
So first I would like to thank all my faculty who have supported me in every single step, and next I would thank my parents who have supported me, and I have secured 586 out of 600, and I would thank everyone who have supported me. And hard work always pays off, so work hard, that is only what I want to say. Thank you.
Everyone, I am Arfa Anju. I secured 585 on 600. First of all, I want to thank my teachers for their constant encouragement and support. Next, I want to thank my parents for their love, care and belief on me. And I want to thank all the faculties who helped me. At last, I want to thank you for everyone for giving this opportunity.
I am Sri Hasini and I am from Commerce Stream. I have scored 588 out of 600. Primarily, I would like to thank all my lecturers and my parents for guiding me in a very good manner, and they have notified all my capabilities and motivated me to achieve this. And I thank myself for my hard work because I have been consistent for all this year to achieve my goal, and I hope I have achieved my goal. So thank you all for believing in me. Thank you very much.
My name is Nandesh. I have got 581 out of 600. All my teachers really helped me a lot. So I am very happy with this percentage. Thank you.
Today I am very much happy to be here, and I got 577 out of 600. And I would like to say that this is the best college in Chintamani, because there is a continuity here, but no other college which I saw. According to me, this is my personal opinion. And here the faculty is very much good. By scoring these marks, you will make your parents very much proud. Not only this, the objective point of view also, this is the best college in Chintamani which I saw. And from our college, last year also so many seniors had gone for different colleges for their career, and I would like to thank my parents and my family members who supported me a lot. And
I'm from Commerce Stream. I have secured 576 out of 600. Commerce teachers really helped me in scoring this marks, and all the faculty here is good, and the teaching is also good.
ನಂತರ ಮನು 86 ನೋಡಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ಇಲ್ಲೊಂದು ಸ್ಪೆಷಾಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. ನಾನು ಬೇರೆ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಸಲ್ಟ್ ನೋಡಿದಾಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಒಂದು ರ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಇರೋದು 6, 5, 7 ಆ ರೀತಿ. ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ ಸರ್ಫಾ. ನೋಡಿ ಒಂದೊಂದು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ.
Okay, sir.
ಟಾಪ್ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ಲೇಸ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್.
Congrats so much.
ಕಂಗ್ರ್ಯಾಚುಲೇಷನ್ಸ್ ನಾಗಶ್ರೀಯ. Congratulations, Bhavani. Fine. Congratulations. Vrindavan side.
Farhan.
Next. CS 96.
ಸರ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಡಿ.
ಜಯಶ್ರೀ 571.
ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡಿ.